Hey all, this is Jim from Everything Reviews and News. I have I'm going to do I'd say an unboxing, but it's really just a bag, isn't it? I'm going to do an unbagging of the Enduro 30 liter 2.0 bag. It's in forged iron from Oakley standard issue. On YouTube there's a few reviews, but they're not very good. Most of them don't have sound. They do a bunch of music and there's a bunch of pictures and it doesn't really do you any good. So I thought I'd go ahead and do one live, taking it out of the bag, taking a look at it. This was purchased from Oakley standard issue. It cost 64 bucks. The shipping was a little weird. They send it UPS and then it goes to USPS for final delivery. So it took about 4 days longer than anticipated. But anyways, just comes in a standard plastic bag. I don't know if that would stop any damage from happening, but let's cut her open and see what we got. Be careful not to cut your bag. Like it's in a bag inside of a bag. So it comes in a regular plastic bag. Enduro 3.0, or I'm sorry, 30 liter 2.0 in forged iron. It's pretty good so far. Alright. So there's the bag. Looks to be pretty good material. I did have a North Face bag I didn't really like. It didn't have any side pockets or pouches. Very little. It's all inside. So, but this actually has got some side pockets on it. It's got some exterior hook and loop, Velcro, whatever you want to call it, to put stuff in. On the outside, it's got what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pockets, 6 pockets. And it goes in there quite a ways. 6 pockets plus your 2 pouches on the outside for water bottles or whatever. The other side, it's got your straps, shoulder straps, chest harness, strap all adjustable. Looks pretty good. It's the bag or the tag for it. Recommended suggested price is $100 bucks US dollars. So it's got some loops on here to attach things if you want to put anything on there. And of course a carrying strap. Looks like it's alright. Looks like it's sewed inside there. Pretty good. Pretty good. Oh, there's another pocket up here for sunglasses. And it's lined with the nice soft material so it doesn't scratch up your glasses. That's actually pretty deep. It's about that deep. My whole hand goes in there all the way. So that's pretty deep. You can get quite a few pairs of glasses in there. Alright, so let's open up the this first pocket. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. It's got a little Oakley deal there with their address and everything. I don't know why they put that on there, but whatever. I'm going to go ahead and open that up just so we can get in here and take a look at the outside pocket. Just a standard pocket. Got my main pouch in the back, your other pouch here. Got your OK thing there. Pencils, another little pocket for a calculator or something if you want it. It's pretty deep. And then the side pockets, these are just little side pockets. Put stuff in. Just as deep as the pocket is, seam right there. But pretty good. Good. These XYZ, they are YKK. Yeah, YKK zippers, good zippers, decent zippers. Open this other side one up, see what's in here. Also, no real soft stuff, but standard kind of vinyl material, whatever it is. And those are on both sides. Looks to be both the same thing. I'm not going to open all of them up. The inside, let's go ahead and get this out too, so you can see what we're doing. Alright, so there's the inside pocket. It's got 2 zippers. I like to keep them both down in the middle. Pull them up. It opens up. There's nothing inside there, but you do have pretty big space in here to put stuff. I don't know if you can see down inside there, but it's pretty big. You get quite a lot of stuff in there. I notice it's pretty heavily padded there. There is a side pouch here for laptop, tablet. There's actually a little pocket inside there too. I don't see if you can see that. Put a tablet in so it's not going all over the place, and a laptop here. Pretty thick, heavy foam on the back too. Pretty thick, heavy foam. That's good. All right. Well, other than that, not a lot to it. Looks like it's got a lot of room in there for storage out in the field, short day trips, traveling, which is what I bought it for, because my other one hasn't got enough room in there at all. But not a bad bag. The back portion does have some ribbing in it for circulation, and these are foam with some of that, get some airflow through there, I guess. Not as good as some of the packs I've seen, but not bad at all. Not too bad. So, all right, well, that's my review of the Enduro 30 liter 2.0 and forged iron. Got the Oakley logo there. Pretty decent for 64 bucks. Not a bad deal. Not a bad deal at all. All right, well, if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. Hit the like button if you like it. You can subscribe if you want to. I don't do a lot of videos, but I do a few here and there. But I'm kind of all over the place. I'm going to have also some sailing videos on there. I just got myself a 1978 Sunfish that I'm going to be rehabbing. So subscribe, and then you can watch that too. We also have some firearms things we shoot sometimes. Maybe throw some of those in there, do some other things, different types of reviews. For anything that I can get reviews done. And give you guys some more information that you might be able to use. All right, okay, everybody have a great day. Thanks for watching my video. See you later.